Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to look at how to humanize text in ChatGPT. So there are a few ways to do it, but one way I do it is by having this Chrome extension called Keyword Surfer. So you can see I've downloaded it into my browser at the top, and it shows up in ChatGPT. You can see in the bottom left here, and it gives you an amount of humanizer words. So it gives you 500 for free, which is usually enough if you're just using it for, a few things each day. So I'm going to write an email with ChatGPT and then humanize it with Keyword Surfer. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So write me a 100-word email promoting my freelance writing services to new businesses. So ChatGPT is going to give me an email I can use. Sometimes it takes a few seconds. Let's see what it comes up with. There we go. Professional writing, supporting your growing business. Hi there. I help new businesses turn ideas into clear, persuasive words that attract customers and build trust. As a freelance writer, I create website copy, blog posts. And again, you can go in and edit this really easy. You can see the little blue tab, click to edit. But as you can see, it's sounding quite professional, and maybe that's good enough for you, or maybe you want it to sound a bit more human, a bit more relaxed. And to do this, you can scroll down and you see the little keyword surfer tab down here. So you can humanize it quite easy. So you just click on that and it will humanize the text that ChatGPT is giving to you. So, hi there. I help new businesses like yours turn a spark of idea into clear and persuasive writing that actually gets people interested and convinces them to trust you. So you can see it's made it a bit more relaxed, a bit more human. Again, you can go in and edit this if you want to, and you can make any changes you want. And down here, you can see it says your content is slightly human written, 2% AI likelihood. So I think it puts it through an AI checker as well. So again, you can click to rewrite and it won't affect your word limit, or you can copy the text and use it for your email if you like. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope that was helpful. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.